Good morning, students. On behalf of Dr.A.Q School System, Shahbazi Campus Kohar, I welcome you all to this video lecture. In this video, we will be discussing subject Mathematics of Grade 6, Unit number 2, Natural Numbers and Whole Numbers, Exercise 2A. First of all, before getting into the Exercise 2A, there is some concepts that first of all you need to understand. First of all, natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers used for counting objects around us are called natural number or counting numbers. The number that we used for counting objects around us, whenever we count objects around us, so we use certain numbers. We call that number counting numbers or natural numbers. Now, whenever we start counting something, we start from 1. So we say 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So in natural numbers, we have numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. There are infinite numbers in natural numbers. So in other words, the set of natural numbers, by the way, we represent natural number by the capital letter N. This capital letter N represents natural numbers. So natural number can be placed within a set. We can write natural numbers inside a set. How can we do that? We will have to write capital N because natural numbers are represented by the capital letter N is equal to, now in the brackets we will write starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then dash 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 or dot dot dot. So these dots mean that there are infinite numbers in the natural numbers. Now after the natural number, there comes another type of numbers which we call whole numbers. Now what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are actually natural numbers plus 0. In other words, in natural numbers there is no 0, but in whole numbers we include 0 as well. So the numbers consisting of 0 and all the natural numbers are called whole numbers. So the whole number is actually a bigger set. In other words, whole number consists of 0 as well as all other natural numbers. In other words, whole number starts from 0 and then goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The set of whole numbers is represented by capital letter W, and then we can write this in the form of a set. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Right? Now the smallest element in whole number is 0 and there is no largest whole number in W. Why? Because this set is infinite set, right? I cannot say 5 is the largest number. No, because after 5 there is 6 and after 6 there is 7 and after 7 there is 8 and so on. So whole numbers include all the natural numbers in addition to 0. Therefore n is a subset of W. Yes, of course, because natural number is smaller than whole numbers. Why is that? Because in natural numbers we do not have 0, but in whole numbers we have 0. So natural number is actually a subset of whole numbers. In other words, natural number are already inside in the set of whole numbers. Now there are certain properties of 0. The first one, if 0 is added to any number, the identity of the number does not change. Whenever we add 0 to any number, whether the number is small or the number is big, but if we add 0 to any number, that adding 0 doesn't change the original number. For example, if we add 0 to 2, so 2 plus 0 is 2. This means that add 0 sweets to 2 sweets. This is just an example. If you have 2 sweets and I ask you to add 0 sweets to your 2 sweets, your answer will be 2, because adding 0 doesn't change anything. Similarly, if the number is bigger like 115, 115. If you add 0 with 115, the answer is still 115. Now, this property is actually called additive identity. What this means is 115 has maintained its identity when it was added to 0, right? Similarly, this 2 has maintained its identity. This 2 has remained 2 after adding 0 to this. So this property is called additive identity. This is a property in which when 0 is added to any number, 0 doesn't change that number. So this is called additive identity. Now, if 0 is multiplied by any number, the result is always 0. But if you multiply 0 with any number, whether it is smaller number or greater number, it doesn't matter. If you multiply 0 with any number, that number will result always in 0. For example, if I multiply 0 with 7, so 7 zeros is 0, right? Similarly, if I multiply 15 with 0, so 15 multiplied 0 is 0, and so on. Now the third property, if 0 is divided by any number except 0, the resulting number is 0. If you divide any number by 0, the result is also 0. For example, 0 divide 3. 0 divided 3 is 0. But the thing that you need to keep in your mind is that 0 can always be written in the numerator in case of fraction. For example, I can divide 0 by 3. Alright, now 0 by 3, this will be equal to 0. But if there is a 3 and 0 is written in the denominator, now this is not possible. 0 in the denominator is actually undefined. You cannot divide any number by 0 when 0 is written in its denominator. So wherever you see any fraction in which 0 is written in the denominator, that is not possible, that is undefined. Alright. Now, properties of 1. Multiplication of any whole number by 1 leaves the whole number unchanged. If we multiply 1 with any number, that number remains the same. For example, if I multiply 1 with 5, the answer is 5. If I multiply 12 with 1, the answer is 12, and so on. This property is called multiplicative identity. It means that when I multiplied 1 with 5, 5 maintained its identity, which is 5. Now, division of any whole number by 1 leaves a number intact. This means that if we multiply any number, if we divide any number by 1, so the number still remains the same. For example, if I divide 85 divide 1, the answer is 85. If I divide 0 divide 1, the answer is 0. So 0 remains 0, 85 remains 0. 85 remains 85. Now coming to exercise 2a, question number 1, fill in the blanks. The first one is the smallest natural number is dash. Now I have told you earlier the smallest natural number is 1 because natural numbers start from 1. Second, the smallest whole number is 0 because whole number starts from 0. Third one, the smallest even number of 3 digits is 100. Right? Now, even number are those numbers which can be divided by 2. Alright, so you have been asked 3-digit even number, but smallest 3-digit even number. Now, the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Alright, the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Up to 99 there are 2 digits. 99 there are 2 digits in 99. So after 99 it comes 100, and in 100 we have 1, 2, 3 digits, and this 100 is also an even number because this 100 can be divided by 2. So this is the required answer. Next, the greatest odd number of 2 digit is dash. Now here you have to write 99 because the greatest odd number of 2 digits. Now greatest 2 digit number is 99. Alright, because after 99 there comes 100, and in 100 there are 3 digits. So the greatest 2 digit number is 99. There are 2 digits in 99, and also this 99 is odd number. 5. The greatest 4 digit number is dash. Now you have to write 4 digit greatest number. Alright. Now whenever you have been asked such question that you need to write 4 digit greatest number or 7 digit greatest number, keep in mind 9. So we have to write 4 digit greatest number, right? Greatest 4 digit number. So you just need to write 9 4 times. 9999. Now coming to last one, the smallest 3 digit odd number is 101. The smallest 3 digit number. Now up to 99 there are 2 digits, and then after 99 it comes 100. In hundreds there are 3 digits, but 100 is not an odd number, 100 is even number. We have to write 3 digit odd number. So after 100 it comes 101. So there are 3 digits, also 101 is odd number. Question number 2, answer the following question. Number 1, is every natural number a whole number? Yes, every natural number is a whole number. Why? Because natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on, while whole numbers start from 0 and then it comes 1, then 2, then 3. So if I write whole numbers, the whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So from 1 onwards these are all natural numbers, and from 0 onward these are all whole numbers. So you can see that every natural number is also a whole number. Alright, so you have to write over here in solution yes. Now second, is every whole number a natural number? If not, then name it. Is every whole number a natural number? No, every whole number is not a natural number, because over here you can see that in whole number we have 0, while this 0 is not present in natural number, right? Therefore every whole number is not a natural number. Why? Because 0 is a whole number and 0 is not a natural number. So first of all we will write no, every whole number is not a natural number. Why is that? Because of 0. Next, which whole number succeeds 9999? What number comes after 9999? After 9999 comes 10,000. Alright. Last, which whole number precedes 1000? Now precedes means before. So which number is before 1000? It's 999. This is the end of this exercise and this video. In next video we will be discussing next exercise. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.